Energy is the object of competition between countries, main target of the exploration for resources with new investments, and the fuel of giant industrial zones that are as important as water for humanity in the production of the best. Competing with the world's giants thanks to her rapidly growing economy, Turkey's value is increasing every passing day in the class of countries generating their own power plants thanks to the newly installed plants. Efor is transforming its entire know-how and workforce into the manufacturing and construction technologies through the support that has been offered to the large-scale industrial power generation projects. Setting in its journey with a sole factory erected in Ankara in 1998, Efor has now become one of the sought-after brands of the energy industry as it grew thanks to its indoor area of nearly 105,000 metres squared, an outdoor area of nearly 75,000 metres squared, factories and expert staff at 3 different locations. Our company has been reinforcing its strength as part of the cooperation with multinational companies, furthering its growth processing by erecting a new factory in Sakarya, Java, equipped with cutting-edge technologies, besides the ones in Başkentin organised industrial zones. Efor has an annual manufacturing capacity of 65,000 tonnes per year. The company has gained a steel processing capacity of 35,000 tonnes per year at its Ankara Saray factory. Moreover, Efor is employing 2,000 personnel in a year, although this value varies periodically, and the company has been maintaining its steady growth with an understanding for contributing to the strong and progressing Turkish economy. Based on all of these resources it has, Efor is capable of building the thermal power plants with local suppliers by 60% in terms of industrial, manufacturing and assembly aspects. Our company thus takes pride in greatly contributing to the national economy for the reduction of foreign dependency as a target of Turkey. Efor has been proceeding on its way towards becoming a company that can meet the global energy industry's needs as an Anatolia-based company that nationally reinvests its gains while expanding its business network day by day in all of the projects it implements. Efor observes the customer satisfaction through its people-orientated and environmentally sensitive business processes that focus on occupational safety without compromising the quality. Besides its trust and solution-orientated projects, the company also offers turnkey services required by its customers in a wide range of business lines. The business network of Efor is beyond the borders of Turkey, and it has proven itself in the energy industry, manufacturing and solution systems through the achievements made with its international partners at a global scale. Engineering and consultancy services, electromechanical installations and commissioning applications for ongoing projects, and the rehabilitation and maintenance services for existing plants represent the few examples of its fields of activity. Yunus Emre Thermal Power Plant. As one of the major projects completed by Efor, Eskişehir Yunus Emre Thermal Power Plant has an installed capacity of 290 MW. Besides the complete installation services, more than 1,000 employees of Efor conducted the spoil manufacturing and installation, the entire site piping on a turnkey basis for boiler rooms, auxiliary steam heating and fuel oil stations, refractory and installation works, and many other manufacturing and installation processes. Boluganic Thermal Power Plant project has an installation capacity of 270 MW. This thermal power plant, where Efor undertook the majority of manufacturing, installation and erection works, has been operating since 2016. Efor's expertise was used for the manufacturing and erection of the plant's steel structures, for the design of the stacked gas elector filtering and ash conveying system that requires business experience, and for the manufacturing and installation of fuel oil site storage tanks. Efor is highly experienced in steel construction manufacturing as one of its business lines. We have been supporting the steel structure construction of many power plants at our factories that have an annual steel manufacturing capacity of 35,000 tonnes. Mersin Solder Plant. Efor carried out as an IPS the manufacturing and installation of a fluidized bed coal boiler having a team capacity of 320 tonnes per hour. Efor also constructed and commissioned on a turnkey basis a calcination unit that has been planned for soda production within the same factory. Sommercolin Thermal Power Plant. The contract for the complete erection of the plant, which has an installed capacity of 510 MW, was awarded to Efor, and our company fulfilled the process and commissioned the plant. Molpolyol Petrochemical Project. Chun Thermal Power Plant. It is one of the projects implemented in our country in a different scope. Efor undertook the erection of this plant, which was imported to our country after having been dismantled in Austria, following the necessary overhauling process. Iden Chini Biomass Power Plant. Gemlik Fertilisation Factory. Tufan Bailey Thermal Power Plant. Karabuk Iron and Steel Plant. Some Thermal Power Plant is also a different construction and installation project that was awarded to Efor thanks to its expertise. Efor completed the plant in 2014 at a total investment cost of $2 million. Alia LNG Terminal. Efor was involved in the construction of liquefied natural gas impounding and gasification terminal installed in Izmir. Alia is an important project for Turkey. Efor's team fulfilled the terminal's piping between ship and facility. The most prominent reason why Efor is preferred as a company that has been serving in the energy industry for many years, in the context of all these works and many others, is its business expertise and sensitively maintained quality standards. Our quality department, which work independently within the body of Efor, studiously completes the certification process following the examination and testing of all details prior to manufacturing and installation. Having all of the relevant certifications, Efor's quality department assumes the quality responsibility of all projects it is involved in and carries out on the customer's behalf the project assessment, quality plans preparation, inspection and organisation, and conduct all of the tests that have test plans in place. Efor commits all of our partners to follow up on all environmental international statutory regulations and customer requirements, and to continuously improve the environmental performance by adopting them. Being the reference of confidence and quality in the energy industry, together with its business partners since its establishment, Efor will keep contributing to the future's energy with its own energy. As a dependable solution partner of the future, as it was the case in the past, Efor is always standing by Turkey